Watch the one I know my people. The first swarm they move in by themselves. I catch 5 swarm already since here, but a shake swarm. This one, I catch a swarm in this last year. And I catch a swarm in it this year. No, it was last year? No. The year before last year. I take them out last year. And I catch one in it this year again. Because it did empty from last year till this spring season. I can't catch it empty. I see them a scout it from morning. And I know so I go catch them. I have a bucket on there, so like it live also. Yes, Father God, give thanks and praise. So I'm number 6, but them one are flying by themselves. We don't have to shake them. Yes, God. See if we can get a better, closer shot. You know. People, see them there, man. Live. There's a peer log, you know, inside that hollow. Bees are in it originally. I cut it down, take out the bees and set it up empty. I second swarm in like this. Yeah. Catch a swarm in night 2020 Father's Day. And I take them out last year. Them over there so right now. Now I catch back a swarm in night. Couple days after Mother's Day. Today was Friday. Yes, God. Give thanks. Eh? What you mean? They tell us I'm gonna catch them, family. Yes, God. Give thanks. To them there. Still are going. Yeah.